We've all had this experience. You're at a perfect location, the lighting feels right, and you capture a photo. But when you look at the screen later, the image is cluttered, the colors are flat, and the memory feels distant from the digital file. Historically, closing that gap meant using professional software. But for most of us, those tools are too complex, buried under layers of technical menus that take months to master. Adobe Photoshop Elements 2026 is designed as a bridge. It uses an AI-driven engine to move a photo from its flawed state toward the ideal version we actually remember. The software follows a 3-stage workflow: fixing mistakes, transforming reality, and creating polished art. Rather than treating these as separate tasks, it collapses them into a centralized hub, processing all 3 phases simultaneously. This structure is built to handle the technical heavy lifting, letting the user focus on the final look rather than the individual steps of the process. The most common barrier to a good photo is environmental clutter, specifically the people in the background who inevitably walk into your shot. The updated Find People in the Background tool solves this by scanning the frame, identifying human shapes that shouldn't be there, and removing them with one click. This same logic works for creative isolation. If you're photographing a pet in a messy room, the AI can wipe away the surrounding distraction to leave only your subject. But digital photos aren't the only ones that need help. Many of our most important family records are physical prints that have spent years accumulating dust and scratches. Once these are scanned, the Restore Photo function uses AI to differentiate between the original image data and physical damage, automatically smoothing out cracks and fading in seconds. For a final touch, you can use the new contextual taskbar to apply selective edits, like popping the color on a single person in an otherwise black and white restored family portrait. The goal is to move past manual pixel editing and let the user simply point to what needs to be fixed. Once the basic fixes are done, the software moves into a more powerful phase, altering the actual content of the image. This is handled by generative AI, a system that allows you to add photorealistic elements to your photos just by typing what you want to see. Using the Insert Object tool, you brush over an area and provide a prompt, like a small raccoon on a fence, and the AI generates multiple versions of that object to fit the space. This diagram shows how the software calculates the scene's math, finding the light source to cast an accurate shadow and matching color temperature. This same logic lets you build entirely new images from scratch. The engine constructs full scenes based on a single text prompt. With the AI handling the complexities of lighting and perspective, the user is free to focus on the conceptual vision of the image. Even with powerful tools, starting a creative project can feel daunting when you're looking at a single photo and a blank workspace. Guided edits act as an interactive roadmap, walking you through specific visual styles with step-by-step instructions. For example, the peek-through overlay uses this cinematic rack focus effect. Out-of-focus foreground flowers create depth, drawing the eye to the subject. Once the image looks right, the software helps you move into the publishing phase through integration with Adobe Express. You can drop your finished photos directly into professional social media templates, complete with animations and typography, without having to design the layout from zero. This keeps the entire process, from the first fix to the final social post, inside a single connected environment. The journey starts with a raw image file and ends with a polished, creative product ready for the world. Photoshop Elements 2026 achieves this by combining massive AI processing power with an interface that focuses on simple, intuitive decisions. It removes the friction of technical menus, letting the software adapt to the user's imagination rather than the other way around. By placing high-end manipulation tools within a single-click environment, professional-level photo editing is now a standard feature for any casual photographer. You can start the journey yourself with a free trial of Photoshop Elements 2026.